Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to change Toyota Corolla windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, ensuring they are the correct size for your vehicle. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Park your Corolla safely on a level surface and place a towel or cardboard on your windshield to prevent damage if the wiper arm snaps back. This preparation makes the process smooth and easy. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Look for a small tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the hook. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the glass. Repeat for the other side. Installing the new blades is straightforward. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Then, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto your windshield. Repeat for the second wiper. To finish, test your new wipers. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield washer fluid. Observe the blades as they clear the glass, ensuring they operate smoothly and without streaks. Confirm both blades cover their intended areas effectively. Remember, replacing your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months helps maintain optimal visibility and safety, especially during adverse weather conditions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.